about equipment of palm oil or palm kernel oil, you can enter our live show. And hello, welcome guys. Guys, wait a moment. I should adjust our live show. Welcome. Hello, okay, let's continue. Guys, next, let's see the small scale. Let's see the, okay, welcome guys to our live show. Just now, have some situation, yes. Okay guys, let's continue. Let's see the small scale palm oil price line. And first is capacity 1 tons per hour. It is okay. It features is free installation. And it has less footprint. So it can reduce your install time and transportation and transport cost and transport time, because in this production line, if you want to transport this equipment, just need 3 containers, so it's convenient for transport. So if you want quickly start product, you can choose this production line. And the next is 1 to 2 tons per hour production line, and there has all of equipment for palm oil production line. So it has high degrees of automation, and it can reduce residual oil rate, increase the out oil rate for you, to make more oil for you. Welcome guys to our live show. Welcome. I'm Helen Glory Company. Today our topic is palm oil production line, and now I'll introduce the production line equipment for you. Welcome guys. Guys, if you're interested palm oil or palm kernel oil equipment, if you need production line or single machine, all we can provide for you. We may produce the equipment of extracting edible oil, such as palm oil, palm kernel oil, and soybean oil, rapeseed oil, and so on. If you need the edible oil production line, production equipment, you can enter our live stream. And this production line is capacity 1 to 2 tons per hour, and it has all equipment of production line, and but it is cost effective. And the next is capacity 5 tons per hour production line. Its automation degree is higher than the above all, and its capacity is larger. It can give you high return, and its cost is low. All of equipment is automatic, and this is feature of this production line. It is high oil yield, high quality of red palm oil. And after palm oil, this palm oil production line, the quantities and storage stability of the palm oil will be increased. And our equipment production process is divided this step. First is sterilization, and after sterilizing, the palm fruit will become softened and easier to remove the fruit. So next, the palm fruit bunches will enter the thresher to remove the fruit from the palm fruit bunches. After threshing, the palm fruit will enter the digesting to destroy the structure of palm fruit. Then the palm fruit will enter the presser to pressing the palm crude oil by squeezing. And after pressing, the crude oil has many impurities, so we set up a clarification section to remove the impurities. The last step is vacuum drying. It can remove the internal moisture of crude oil. After vacuum drying, the crude oil quantity and the storage tank will be greater. Welcome guys to our live show. Welcome guys. We are Henan Glory Company. Today our topic is palm oil production equipment, and we will introduce the equipment and the production line for you guys. If you have need for palm oil or palm kernel oil production line and equipment, you can enter our live show. And if you have need and some questions, you can type them on comment area, and my assistant can reply it for you. Or you can click our avatar to send a private message for us in the background. And the last production line is medium and large scale palm oil press line. Its capacity is above 10 tons per hour, and our largest capacity is 120 tons per hour. Between 10 tons per hour and 120 tons per hour, or we can provide production line for you. And in production line is fully continuous. It's fully continuous production, and it can give you high profits, and it used by PLC automation control, and the labor cost is lower. Okay, this is our production line of palm oil pricing process. Guys, if you have need, you can type them. And next, and if you want to get free quotation, you can find our email or WhatsApp information from our homepage. And next, let's see the palm oil refinery line. In refinery line, we have three type of refinery equipment. And first is batch type palm oil refining equipment. And because the refining need high temperature to heat the crude oil, so we set up two kinds of heating system for you. And first is electric heating, and the other is conduction oil heating. And the electric heating processing capacity is 0.5 tons per day to 2 tons per day. And the other one, conduction oil heating, is above 1 ton per day. And our refinery production line is divided several steps as degumming, deacidification, and decolorization, and deodorization. And in this refining process line, all equipment we can provide for you. And next, if you want higher degrees of automation and your capacity is larger, you can see the semi-continuous palm oil refining equipment. Its capacity is 5 tons per day to 30 tons per day. And their deodorization section and the acidification section is carried out continuous. Use deodorization tower to deal with crude oil, so it can give you higher efficiency and better effect, and it can increase the quality of the palm oil. And the last one is fully continuous palm oil refining machine. And in there, all of equipment can be continuous without worker. So in this production line, the equipment, the quality, and the out oil rate is highest. Okay, these three equipment are our refinery equipment production line. Okay, guys, do you have any questions, guys? If you have any questions, you can type them on our comment area below. And if you have some need about our palm oil equipment and palm kernel oil equipment, you can type your need on comment area. And this part is palm kernel oil production line. The first is palm kernel oil presser. It's special, and the screw is special, and it material made for special steel, so it has wear resistant, and it can control internal temperature, and it's easy to operate. This palm kernel presser capacity is 5 kg per hour. And in palm kernel production line, we also have palm kernel cracking and splitting machine. It includes crushing and the splitting glue and cyclone and fans. It can splitting the kernel and the shell of the palm kernel. In this splitting equipment, the shelling rate is over 95%, and it can decrease the kernel break rate. Our equipment also have low investment, high production efficiency advantages. Guys, if you want a palm kernel oil production line or single machine, we can provide it. And we have many private project cases. If you're interested, we can arrange the right sales manager for you. And this is palm kernel production line. There has all equipment such as this splitting machine and cooking and cooker and palm kernel presser and crusher and the fiber and kernel splitter. It can give you clean, crude palm kernel oil. Okay, the above is the palm oil and palm kernel oil equipment introduction. Welcome guys to our live show. Welcome guys to our live show. Guys, if you have any questions, you can type them, or if you have some need, or if you're interested in our equipment, you also can click the avatar and send a private message in the background, or send a message, send an email for us. Okay, and if you no question, we will end the show, and you can follow us. Then you will get our start info background. Okay, guys, see you next time. We will end this show.